Hello guys, welcome back. Today my kittens are going crazy. They are playing, jumping and wrestling like little fighters. Get ready for 4 minutes of fun, cuteness and a smile. Let's go. Look at them. So small, but so strong. One kitten jumps, the other falls and rolls. They bite, they hit, they chase each other. But don't worry, this is not real fighting. Kitten wrestles to grow strong. It helps them practice hunting, running, and balance. This is how they learn to live and play with each other. It's their little training game and it's super cute.
3, 2, 1!
Maybe you ask, why do you kittens wrestle so much? The answer is simple. Play fighting is how they learn. When one kitten bites too hard, the other makes a sound for them limits. They learn what is too much and what is okay. It's like their school, but no books, no teacher. Okay. Cloud, faith, and a lot of energy. Kittens between 2 and 3 months old play the most. Actually, at this age, they are full of energy and very curious. So, what you see now is nature teaching them skills for the future. One second, they cuddle like best friends. The next second, they fight like enemies. But after every battle, they always come back together. That's why kittens are so special. They are full of love and full of wild energy and at the same time. When I watch them, I feel so happy. They don't worry about tomorrow. They don't think about yesterday. They just enjoy the moment, play, run, and explore. Maybe we humans can learn from them. Live now, smile now, and play more. If you like this kitten wrestling show, please give a thumb up, write a comment, and tell me your favorite part. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and cute kitten videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.